guys, welcome back once again to class. In today's class I'm going to be introducing you guys to beading, the types of beading, the thread used in beading, the needles, and the wires you can use for structure. So I'll be starting with the threads you'll be needing for any beading project. So for the thread, you can use this invisible thread. Okay, it is called the invisible thread. Can you see? So this is the invisible thread. This is also a fishing line. You can go for this, or you can use your polyester thread. Can you see? So it depends on what you are working with, but in most cases we make use of the invisible thread or the polyester, in terms of maybe you are beading with different colors of bead and you want everything to be the same color, so you have to look for a thread that is as same as the bead you are working with, right? So that is that about beading thread. Now let's introduce the needles. So we have this is the go-to beading needle. Okay, so this is size 10, and do away with the number here. This is size 10 needle. Okay, regular size 10. So apart from this needle, we also have these sets of needle. It comes in sets like this. Can you see? So it depends on what you are working with, then you have to pick the size that will go well with you. Okay, this is the regular straight hand needle, so you can also use this for your beading. So that will be that for the needles needed for beading. So let's talk about structure. You see all these 3D embellishments, structures and embellishment. This is a copper wire, so you use this for your 3D embellishments. You use them to create structure. Okay, we also have the heavy wires like this. Okay, so it depends on the structure you are working with. So can you see? So this gives you structure for embellishments in beading. Then after creating your structure, you now use bead to decorate for your embellishments. So now let's introduce the beads.